Yes, Mr. AG.
Yes, Lordship. The other side, other day, the matter was taken up for some time, and thereafter it was found that the main writ petition was not annexed. So today I am carrying my writ petition with me. I think Lordship's record will also have it separately. Their whole case is that they have worked during the period that is from 10th of August 2017 onwards, and they were in service candidates, and accordingly they procured the DLED degree diploma 2 years, and they should be entitled for now the recruitment process. The Honorable Supreme Court in its order, finally that order which I have placed the other day, that there are two conditions that has to be fulfilled. That once that they should be in service candidates from 10th August 2017 onwards, and also they should procure the degree by 31st March 2019. And for that, the Honorable Supreme Court says that after proper verifications. That order also I have placed. So now, if we look at their writ petition, they have in annex in page number 23 in the writ petition, Lordship. The writ petition number is 3794.
No. Petition 3792. There. It was called what?
Normally, this is the practice that the writ petition is fully annexed. In the
that's true, but then there are many courts where it is not annexed. Like the court I come from, it is always placed along with the records of the writ petition. But
here also in Guwahati High Court also same is the procedure.
Yes.
If Lordship is pleased to come to page 23 of that writ petition, paragraph 2, state that they are working. That means presently they are working. We are working as teachers in private, government-aided and unaided schools in the state of Assam. The petitioners have experience of teaching in lower primary, upper primary school for last 9 to 15 years. The petitioners have completed 18 months DLED in elementary education through open and distance learning mode from NIOS, which qualification hereinafter to be referred as DLED ODL. So now this is their standard, they are working. Now Lordship will come to their applications which they have annexed. They were not hiding anything and they have annexed the applications for the service, page 55 onwards. All the applications which they have filled up online for applying for the job in the recruitment process, Lordship will see page 55 annexure 2. This gentleman name is there, Vikas Dev. Lordship will kindly see down below, Institute of Diploma in Elementary Education 2 years course, South Karimganj AMC Model College. They have written that. Next page, Lordship will come page 56. In the middle, are you an ex-serviceman? No. Are you working as a teacher? No. All the applications I have gone through, Lordship. Everybody has very candidly and frankly and honestly, they have written that they are not working. So first they have to tell before this honorable court, are they working or they are not working? If it is a working candidate, Lordship, the situation will be different. If it is a non-working situation, and they have also said that they are working for last 9 to 15 years. But in the applications, they have very categorically said that I am not working. So there is a totally opposite, diametrically opposite stand they have taken. Each are in conflict with each other. And now why they have come? Because they are not being able to produce their appointment letters, their salary slips, all the vital things which are present for any employee. What we have asked, Lordship, we have asked the previous page, Lordship will find, page 54, what we are asking them, appointment letter and accepted joining report of the applicant. That is first document we are asking. minutes of the school management committee, that is mandatory for all private schools. They must have a managing committee, and some annexers also they have annexed. Then third, photocopy of the attendance register. Fourth is certificate issued by the school authority specifying the service of the applicant in the school from 10/8/2017. But what they have annexed? Experience certificate. All the certificates they are annexing or submitting to the department is their experience certificate. That we are not asking for. Then salary statements, and last is UDIs. And I have found lot of the candidates have annexed certificates of experience where the school's UDIs code is there. It is not that it is not available. My humble submission is that they are not coming before this honorable court, before the learned single judge, as well as before this division bench with clean hands. They are hiding something, and that thing we are trying to find out through the verification process, which the Honorable Supreme Court in very categorical terms said that verify, and if they are found to be in service on 10th August 2017, and if they have procured their degree by 31st March 2019, but here the certificates also say that they are procuring it from May 2019 onwards till 2023 they are getting this diploma.
Yeah.
So this is a fundamental thing. Unless they clarify this, Lordship, all other issues are not to be taken by this Honorable Court at this stage. Because if they fail to satisfy this Honorable Court, whether they are working or not working, and with an honest reply, in my humble submission, this Honorable Court, which is a court of equity, will not look into their claims. That is my humble submission at this stage, at the stage of admission of the writ appeal.
My Lord, the first answer which I would like to give is that in the particular form, we have given answer no.
Yes.
That is a fact. Why? That also the AG must explain that he has not. But this situation is like this, my Lord. While filling up the forms online as teachers, the option which is available in the screen is, my Lord, whether applicant is working as a state pool teacher / contractual teacher, regular teacher. My Lord, these are terms which are normally associated with government appointments. We are basically in unaided private schools. So therefore, my Lord, even if we write, that is not accepted by the system. Therefore, my Lord, the answer is no. Because these are filled up online. So whenever we try to, my Lord, put the answer, then it says whether you are working as a state pool teacher / contractual teacher or regular teacher. So we are neither of them. So therefore, automatically the system says.
Where do we get that statement that this is the only
statement is not there, my Lord, but that is the practice, my Lord.
No.
A statement, huh?
No.
Statement. Now, my Lord, now what is the Supreme Court's order? Please come to the compilation which I gave the other day, my Lord. Please come to page number 87. Now, state is relying heavily on this. Page 87 of the compilation. We clarify that such of the teachers who were in employment as on 10th of August 2017 and who completed 18-month DLED program through Nios before 1st of April 2019 shall be considered as valid diploma for the purpose of applying in the other institutions and for promotional avenue. Well, this paragraph does not say anybody's entitlement. It only says these are the people who are eligible to apply. Now, my Lord, next para at page 88. We direct the respondent authorities to consider the candidature of such of the appellants who were in service as on 10/8/17 and that who on verification are found to satisfy the eligibility criteria. The verification which is mentioned, referred to here, is the verification, meaning that before 1st of April 2019, he must have obtained the 18 months DLED course, which has been construed to be equivalent to 2-year diploma. And secondly, he must be on service on 10/8/2017. So, my lord, the learned single judge as well as the state's understanding is, by virtue of this order, this expression used that eligibility criteria, now they can come up with these new requirements. That is actually, my lord, in an appropriate case, the prescription may not be unreasonable. But as I have submitted earlier, but in the facts of the present case, it has to be construed as onerous. Because some of the documents, it is beyond our capacity, my lord, beyond our control to obtain it. Because some of the schools have closed. Now, regarding, my lord, the Udice Court, I'll just read one paragraph from my writ appeal.
Now, let us see, just show me the advertisement.
Yes. Advertisement in the compilation, lordships will get
54.
50, my lord. One is at 50, other is at 54. Now, please come to the conditions of recruitment. The Director of Elementary Education, Assam, reserves the right to cancel or postpone recruitment at any time. Is not important. The candidate who have passed ATET, CTET for lower primary will be eligible. Either the language 1 or language 2 or both ATET and CTET candidate shall match the medium of instruction of the school wherein the candidate wishes to apply. Then candidates should not be less than 18 years of age and not more than 40 years. Now, regarding children, all these are not very important. Then, yes. Now, please come to me, Lord, page 51. Eligibility criteria for LP school as per government in the department of so-and-so. So, higher secondary or senior secondary, so 5 marks weightage will be given. For diploma, so-and-so weightage will be given. For TET and central TET, so-and-so weightage will be given. Then non-essential, so this is not relevant. So these are the, my lord, qualifying requirements. The problem arose because, my lord, there was a prescription in the RTA Act that you must possess all the qualification prescribed by NCET. So therefore, since, my lord, there was a situation when within that 5-year tenure, some of the teachers were not in a position to complete 2 years diploma. It is in that context, my lord, that a via media was worked out, and that is how, my lord, Supreme Court also in the review order has eventually said that whosoever has acquired the diploma before 1st of April 2019 and one who was in service on 10th of August 2017, they would be eligible to apply. Now, we are only seeking to take part in the selection process.
No, that's all right. But Mr. Chaudhary, tell us one thing.
Yes, my lord.
Now, you are required to be in service on 10th of August 2017.
Yes.
And then with 18 months diploma.
Yes.
Before 1st of April 2019.
We have both.
You have to have this.
Yes.
Now, they are only asked
how to verify that I was working on 10/8/2017. Diploma certificate we have, there is no dispute below. Because the particular school where I work, they have certified it.
The question is this. Now, if it is a operate by day, fly by night kind of a school.
Fly by night operator.
Fly by night operator.